Hi everyone, welcome to Perfectly Tossed. Today we bring to you a very unique recipe of momos. What makes it interesting is that we have not used any flour to make these momos. These are completely gluten-free and a keto friendly. So let's begin. Take around 300 grams of minced prawns. To this, add 1 cup finely chopped onion and some spring onion greens. Add some salt and pepper as per your taste and mix the mixture well together. If you want to make a vegetarian version of this, just replace the prawns with mushroom or tofu. Now add some soy sauce and give it a quick mix. The filling for your momos is ready. Now take a pan and heat some water in it. Add some salt and bring it to boil. Once the water starts to boil, add cabbage leaves one by one and let them cook in the boiling water for a minute or two. We are going to use these cabbage leaves as a covering for our momos. Slightly cooking them in water makes them a little soft and less stiff, making it easy to fold them later. Take a steamer plate and grease it well with oil. We shall place the prepared momos on this for steaming. Take a cabbage leaf earlier cooked in boiling water and place the prawn filling in the bottom portion of the leaf. Now gently fold the cabbage from the side and then the bottom and keep rolling it upwards while pushing the filling inside. See that the cabbage is rolled tightly so that it does not open up while steaming the momos. Repeat the same with all the other cabbage leaves and arrange them on the steamer plate. Now prepare a pot with boiling water. You can use the same pot in which we cooked the cabbage leaves earlier. Once the water starts to boil, place the steamer plate on top of it and cover it with a lid. Take care that the water in the boiling pot does not touch the steamer plate, else the momos will become soggy and may also open up. After steaming the momos for 8 to 10 minutes, the momos are ready to be served. You can serve these momos with plain soy sauce or mix sweet chili sauce and soy sauce together to give it a little spicy punch. If you found this recipe interesting and helpful, do share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.